was raised in the dark, no name, just a number they gave me. Heart like a screen turned off, like nothing could save me. Every move analyzed, no space left for feeling. Try to hide what I am, but it kept on revealing. There's a storm in my head, I don't make a sound. I don't know who I am right now. I'm alone, even when I'm strong. I break, built a wall around my world, but it falls when I get too close. I fade. I'm a stranger, like a secret full of pain. No one knows the child in me, left behind in the rain. Don't trust anyone, yet I made them my truth. Thought I'd burn anyone who tried getting through. Then you looked at me like you really could see something more underneath, something more in me. When you said come close, something starts to change. All the walls I built are breaking away. I'm alone, even when I'm strong. I break, built a wall around my world, but it falls when I get too close. I fade. I'm a stranger, like a secret full of pain. No one knows the child in me, left behind in the rain. If I reach out tonight, will you stay or let me go? Maybe I don't have to hide. Maybe you already know. I'm alone, but not tonight. For the first time I feel safe. All the walls I built so high start to fall when you say my name. I'm a stranger, but you pull me in. If you touch me, I might stay. I'm alone, but with you here, I don't feel alone today.